Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Right now we're going to look at this control in the battle against the root knot nematode regarding summer squash. Same thing here. This is a different control, and right here is a third control. So we'll go through them one by one. Today is June 30th, 2022, and what we have here is nothing came up out of the soil. So we had a bad seed pack. Okay, this doesn't mean that what we're doing here is a failure. So I went ahead and planted a new set of seeds in here. So in about a week, we should see something like that right there. Anyhow, this was the inoculated part of the yard that has the beneficial bacteria and the beneficial fungi. So hopefully they start to, do what they're supposed to do in keeping the root knot nematodes out of this particular soil patch. We lasagna layered this, we lasagna layered that one, and then the following one. So what you have in a lasagna layer is a layer of leaves, sand, leaves, sand, leaves, sand, so on. That's lasagna layering, and we went about 14 inches down. So this control group here has black walnut whole powder. At this juncture, the whole powder seems to be doing, its job, but right now you can't conclude that yet, because these have to get a little bit bigger before the nematodes really start to try to come after them. There's no way they could have been detected yet if the nematodes are in the soil of this location. So not only do you have the organic component going against the root knot nematode here, but you also have the black walnut hull powder. Let's go to the next control group, where we use earthworm castings, and we place those in the soil. This location seems to be doing good too, but at this juncture it's premature to draw any kind of real conclusion as to whether or not these different controls are successful against the root knot nematodes. But at this time, two of them anyway are looking good. Third one we have yet to determine, because the seeds need to sprout. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel grow tremendously. And stay tuned as I keep you updated on the progress of these root knot nematode control groups regarding the summer squash. Have a good day.